Yes, good evening, everyone. I hope you are able to hear me and you are able to watch my screen. Welcome for our RTL online trainings and placements. Myself, this is Chandra. I am here to take demo sessions, next level training, and then placement. This is all I am here to take care of, point of contact. Okay. So we are going to have 3 demo sessions here. Today is the first demo. Tomorrow we are going to have second demo. Wednesday, we are going to have third demo. Thursday onwards, regular classes will be started. Timings will be same time, 7 p.m. IST to 8 p.m. IST. 1 hour we are going to have. If somebody says that evening batch is not possible, there will be a morning batch also that you can communicate with admin when it's going to be started and all. So related to the course fees or enrollment other details, you can communicate with this number. This is our admin number. Anyway, it's fine. Go ahead with listening all 3 free demo sessions so that you will get an idea about what is this technology and what exactly we do the work. Because couple of assignments I'll be doing in the interview in the demo itself. Okay, and the syllabus. The syllabus is very important. Okay. So this is all we are going to discuss now here. Okay. So I'll start right from the basics, right from the beginning of the cloud. What is cloud? What are different cloud companies we have? This all. And then I'll move into the cloud applications. So I feel that everybody is a fresher into this area. So I'll start that. What is cloud? What is cloud? What are the different cloud companies we have? What are the different cloud companies we have in the market? What is Oracle Cloud? What are different products we have? Products and tools. Products and tools in Oracle Cloud. What are different products and tools we have in Oracle Cloud? Then, what is Oracle Fusion Applications? What is Oracle Fusion Applications? What is Oracle Fusion HCM? HCM or HCM Cloud, all are same. Okay. What are the different types of jobs we have in this technology? What are the different types of jobs we have in this technology? And what are the prerequisitions for this? What are the prerequisitions for this? How the job opportunities will find. So this is all we are going to discuss one by one. So maybe 10-15 minutes, it will be a little bit boring for the people who has already in the industry. Yes, Vanaja Thatikonda, please keep it on mute. Chellam Venkat Ramana Reddy, please keep it on mute. Thank you. Yeah. So we'll start with cloud first. So what is cloud? Everybody is talking nowadays cloud and artificial intelligence. Of course, in our Oracle Cloud also we got artificial intelligence, AI agents and machine learning also introduced by Oracle. We'll come to that where it will be. Okay. So first we'll discuss what is cloud because everybody is talking about cloud, all this, and why this cloud came into the picture and when it is came into the picture. So cloud is nothing but virtual server. Cloud is nothing but virtual server. So if any client is doing some business to maintain their day-to-day business transactions, generally they will maintain their own server, right? They will have, for example, Reliance Industry. Let's say Reliance Trends. Reliance Trends we have. So Reliance Trends is one of the company who are going to sell the goods to their customers. It's a retail industry, right? Let's say they have total 500 branches in India. In every branch, there are 10 employees are working. Total, how many employees are working in this company? In India, 5,000 employees are working. All these employees will come to the office every day, right? 9 to 6 p.m. 9 to 6 p.m. IST, every day they come to office. Whatever the sales they do, whatever the procurement they do, whatever the goods returns from customers, they get it. their customers' data, their suppliers' data, their employees' data, their financial transactions, nothing but payment or any collections. All these day-to-day transactions, they are going to enter in the systems. You might have seen they will be using the computers, right? They'll be using the computers. For example, in every branch, let's say there are 100 transactions per day happening. Per day, they are going to enter 100 transactions. Generally, we'll see in thousands in every branch. Okay. So 500 branches we have. So per day, it will be 50,000 transaction. What is mean by transaction? Transaction is nothing but whenever, for example, I'll go to Reliance Trend and I'll buy the item and maybe four quantity price. I may get some discount. I'm a new customer. Obviously, they take my details. If I'm existing customer, they'll update my details saying that this customer has purchased this. Some bonus points, discounts. Maybe sometimes customer says that we wanted to apply those bonus points. Like this day to day, whatever the transactions they have, they are doing, that will be captured into the system, that will be captured into the system. So what I'm telling is per day, 50,000 transactions will happen per day. Per month, how many transactions? Quarterly, how many transactions? Yearly, how many transactions? This is only one company. For Reliance company, they have 35 companies like this, only for Reliance. Like Reliance, there are hundreds, thousands of companies in India itself. Okay. So all these enterprises, whenever they are doing the business in multiple branches, whenever they are doing multiple branches, whenever they are performing the business transactions day to day, earlier what happened, they used to maintain their own servers. That's what we call it as on premises. It means they used to have their own servers, on premise server. It means Reliance company itself, they will maintain their own server room and they'll recruit the DBAs, right? They recruit the DBA and they recruit the network team. There will be a network team and network team, and then there will be admin team. Then there will be a software developers. Of course, there will be a support engineers. This team is common. This all will be happening, right? Okay. So that was on-premises implementation. That was on-premises implementation. What is mean by on-premises implementation? Client is going to maintain their own servers. They have separate team to take care of this applications 24 by 7 because client might be using one software. Maybe they will be using multiple softwares. One software is billing software, another software is payroll software, another software is for the sales, another software is for accounting. We cannot say that one software will satisfy our client's requirement, right? Definitely, the clients will be using multiple applications, multiple softwares. All the softwares will be installed in these servers and they take care 24 by 7. That's what actually the business is happening. But if we look at the 2014-15 onwards, entire world has become digitalized. Everybody has started, the business is completely digitalized. Digitalization means right from the customer to bank, bank to company, company to supplier, supplier to government, government to tax, everything is digitalized. Everybody has got digitalized. So day to day, whatever the movement, whatever the action they perform, that they wanted to capture because the data is important for the organization. Based on this data only, every month or every week or every quarter or every day, they can take a decisions. They can take decisions, right? If I want to take business decision, what happened to my business, what is going on, and what will happen in future, what necessary decisions I have to take regarding business point of view, I need to maintain the data in proper format. That's why we maintain the softwares, right? So clients were maintaining their own servers, but it is difficult nowadays because the clients are looking for the data digitalization. Data digitalization. They want everything digitalized. And mobility. Mobility is nothing but the client wants to use their applications through desktop, through mobile, through smartphone. So client says that some of my customers are using mobile. Can I access your software through mobile? Yeah, it support. How about smartphones and tab keys? Tab keys, because some of my employees are using tab phones. Yeah, it will support, and desktop also like that. That's what we call it as mobility. Software is compatible for all. And I would like to have analytics. This is very important nowadays. Earlier, what happened? Analysis was there. Analysis was there. Now the clients are looking for analytics. Analytics means future predictions. Future predictions. For example, if I want to know last quarter what happened to my business, I'll do the analysis. But I want to know what will happen to the next quarter or next year, what will happen. If I do business like this, next year, what will be my position? Then you have to apply analytics. If you want to apply the analytics, a lot of data you have to take, and a lot of analytics developers and visualization people has to sit and take a lot of input parameters and analyze. Finally, they have to tell this is how it looks like your business going forward. That will come at under the analytics. And social sites integration. Nowadays, the clients wants to have all their applications should be very useful for integration, because they want to exchange the data. They want to exchange the data. So these all things are not available in the premises server. So people came into the cloud environment. So cloud is nothing but virtual server. Cloud is nothing but virtual server. So cloud companies will maintain all this information. Cloud companies will maintain all this information. Who are the cloud companies? Who are the cloud companies are available in the market? First place is AWS, Amazon Web Services. Amazon Web Services. We call it as AWS Cloud. Azure, Microsoft. Microsoft company. Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure. Then Google Cloud. Google Cloud. We call it as GCP, Google Cloud Platform. Then Oracle Cloud. Then Oracle Cloud. No, nobody is there after this. After this, there are some small clients, small companies. That's okay. So those all are not, up to the mark. Okay. So top big companies are these four companies: AWS, Azure, GCP, Google Cloud, and Oracle Cloud. So what these people will do? What is actually they are telling is, when there is a client, when the clients are doing some business here, when the client are doing some business here to maintain their business day-to-day transactions, okay, they are using their own servers and they are maintaining their own DBA team, network team, admin team, and all, right? So what these companies are telling us, why you are taking more risk to manage all your software applications, right? Why you are taking more risk? Why don't you use our servers? Why don't you use our servers? Because we have established data centers across the world. This is very important. Data centers. Data centers. What is meant by data center? Data center is nothing but a group of cloud servers. Group of servers or group of supercomputers or cloud technology or latest technology or high-end configuration servers, this all. Okay. So what these companies has done is, across the world, they have established data centers. What they are telling to the customers is, why you are maintaining your own server and maintaining the DBA team, network team, admin team, and still you are feeling insecure regarding the software hacking point of view, data breaching point of view, data access point of view. Why you are worrying about all this, right? Because we will take care of all your applications. So what you can do is, you can start using our servers instead of your server. That's what we call it as a cloud. If somebody says that, if somebody asks you in the interview, what is meant by cloud? You are telling that I'm working in cloud environment. What is meant by cloud? Cloud is nothing but a virtual server. My client is doing the business. If he want to maintain his business data, earlier he was maintaining his own servers, but nowadays he is, instead of using their own servers, they are using the cloud. They are using the cloud. For example, if they are using Oracle Cloud, we call them as they are using the Oracle servers. They are using Oracle servers, right? So these Oracle servers, whatever Oracle servers or GCP servers or Azure or AWS, where do we find that? We see in the data centers. We see in the data centers. So in the data centers, there will be a cloud computing servers which are available high-end. Client can take on rental basis, monthly or quarterly or yearly or 5 years they can take. Okay, and they can start installing the applications. It is just like our server only, but instead of in our office, it will be there in their data centers. For example, Oracle established total 47 data centers across the world. In India itself, they have the data center. One is in Mumbai, another one is in Hyderabad. What Oracle is telling to the Indian clients is, when you are maintaining your own server, it will be difficult for you to manage the server, everything. And even if new softwares comes, it will be difficult for you to manage. Okay, migrations, conversions, backup, everything. So why don't you start using our servers? That will be helpful for you. Okay, that will be helpful for you. That's what Oracle is telling. So why these companies have started establishing the servers across the world? What is the reason is, for example, if I am doing the business, yes, 1 minute. Who is this? Avita and Mohammed Tazim. Please keep it on mute. Sai Shankar iPhone. Please keep it on mute. Let me keep it everybody's. Yeah, it will be disturbing our session. Okay, fine. It's okay. Sometimes what happened, you also don't know that you are on mute. Okay, it's okay, fine. So why the companies has established their centers across the world is, for example, I'm doing business in India. Let's say ICICI Bank is there. So what is their business? Banking sector, providing the banking services to the customers. Banking sector, insurance sector, and other things they have. Maybe they have some demat, like say shares business, a lot of things they have, right? So their business is purely in India. So if any Oracle executive goes to ICICI Bank, tell that you are using the servers. You have your own servers and you are using some applications. So why don't you come to our server and start using our servers, because it will be very less it will be very less cost and high secured and easy upgradation, mainly easy migration. Always latest versions you will be using, like that, because nowadays people are developing the tools and products which are completely cloud based, right? So that's what they offered. Then ICICI says that it's fine. Okay, I'm ready to use your servers, but where is your server? Where exactly it is established or located? If they says that we don't have data centers in India, we have in US or UK or Europe countries or Middle East countries, then ICICI may not be interested, because my business is in India. If your data centers are in India, and if I can feel that, okay, I'm using the servers which are established in India, so if something happens legally, or I can approach through Indian legislation, terms and conditions, right? If they says that my data centers are somewhere in Europe or Sri Lanka or US, UK, if something happen legally, so then I need to come there and talk as per that country legislation. It all legal issues may come. Obviously, every client will think about that, because hundreds and thousands of crores business is there. Definitely, every client will see every statement, every point. They'll take care of it, right? So that's the reason what this cloud companies has done. Almost they started establishing the data centers in the local. So Singapore they have established, Dubai they have established, Saudi Arabia, India, Sri Lanka, Italy. So almost in US and UK, of course, multiple data centers are there in different places. Okay. So like that, these companies has established the data centers. What they are telling to the customers, in the data centers we have supercomputer servers with excellent tools and products. So you can subscribe to our server and start using the applications. You can install your applications, or you can also start using our applications. Okay. So a lot of tools and products are like that. They'll go for publish. Then if clients are interested, they'll go for the cloud. Okay. The major benefits is this, because these are the things required nowadays, every client. And nowadays, every client is required. all these features. So those are the major benefits what client is looking out here. Okay, that's why people are moving nowadays into the cloud. Actually, cloud is introduced by AWS in 2006. Even Azure also 2006. Google also somewhere 2004 or 5 somewhere they came. Oracle introduced in 2015. In 2015, Oracle introduced cloud in 2015, 10 years back. But these all players around 20 years back, they started cloud. Oracle is very late. But still, Oracle is competing with this four. With this four, Oracle is competing. You can search in Google. So Oracle Cloud versus Google Cloud or Oracle Cloud versus AWS or Azure, you will see that almost it's giving very tight competition for the first place. But I cannot say that first place because AWS has got good customers last 20 years, has got good credibility also. But cloud is okay. Oracle Cloud also, Oracle last 10 years, they are giving the best services to the customers. They are also gaining the confidence and they are also gaining the benefits point of view. Customers are going to believe that yes, Oracle is giving the best services in the cloud. Okay. So that's how Oracle has started the cloud. So cloud is nothing but just virtual server. So what is Oracle Cloud? So Oracle Cloud is nothing but indirectly Oracle servers, which are established in the data centers. If you tell to some client saying that you are using your own server, which is cost of around 3 crores INR, and instead of investing 3 crores INR, why don't you start using my server, which is expensive per month 1 lakh? You have two options. One is invest 3 crores, buy a server, recruit DBA team 24 by 7, recruit the network team, recruit the admin team, and pay the salaries to them every month and take care of it, everything. That's that one option. Another one is just pay per month 1 lakh. Pay per month 1 lakh to our company and start using the same server. Our DBAs will take care of it 24 by 7. Our admin will take care of it. Our network team will take care. You don't need to worry about it. 24 by 7. We are responsible. Make sure that your application is up with security. With security. That's what the cloud companies are going to give the offerings to the customers. Nowadays, almost every customer is trying to migrate from their on-premises servers to cloud environments. Some customers says that I have no issues to invest 3 crores. I don't need to come because of the cost effective. But other than the server, what do you have in your servers? Okay, you are telling that if you want to buy your own server, it's 3 crores cost. Instead of that, just pay 1 month, every month 1 lakh rent and start using my servers through internet. You can connect to our servers and start using. Everything will take care. That's what you are telling. That's fine. But I have no issues to take care of my server. That's I'm having very good team, but still I want to use your server. Other than this, do you have anything benefits? Other than okay, just giving one server on rental basis. Other than this, do you have any benefits if I come to your cloud? Yes, there the things will come. For example, if I take Oracle Cloud, if Oracle Cloud says that we have an excellent tools and products. What are the different tools we have? We have VBCS tool, Visual Builder Cloud Service tool, which is form development, We have OACS tool, which is integration tool, We have OAC, Oracle Analytics tool. This is analytics tool. We have JCS, Java Cloud Services tool. We have FAW, Fusion Analytics Warehouse tool. And then we have different products. Oh, sorry. I missed one more important tool, which is Apex tool. Okay. So these all are the excellent tools which are there in my servers that you won't get outside, that you won't get. If you say, I will buy the license of VBCS tool and I will install my server, no, I won't give it. If you come to my cloud, you can use these tools. Otherwise, I won't give you. You can't download this server tools. I don't give the access. You have to come to my cloud and start development of the applications or products, and then you can start downloading your products and whatever the applications. I have no issues. It means if you want to use these tools or products, you must come to my cloud. That's the major advantage nowadays. The customers are looking out here. It is products. NetSuite product is there. Excellent ERP product. Oracle EBS ERP, old. Oracle Fusion ERP, new one. Like this, we have different. I mentioned very latest one, and there are some other tools and products also. There are some other tools and products also we have. These are major tools which are available in the Oracle Cloud. So cloud means it's not only server. It's not only just take one server and rentals and install our softwares and start using. That is one of the future. That is one of the future in the cloud. That is one of the feature in my servers. But in my servers, a lot of tools are there which are excellent in the market. A lot of products are there which are very good to maintain your business data. If you want to use my tools, if you want to use my products, then subscribe to my cloud, subscribe to my servers, and start using. Whatever the uses you are doing, pay that amount. If you don't use, no need to pay. You don't need to pay the amount. So where the clients definitely, if they feel that yes, different tools and products are available in the servers, definitely clients will try to migrate from the on-premises to servers. That's how the cloud hysterias came into the picture. Let me save it. This is May batch, right? Yes. Okay. So any doubts here, please? So we talked about what is cloud. Then we talked about different cloud companies which are available in the market. And we also discussed why the clients are supposed to move from their servers to Oracle or any cloud, Azure cloud or AWS or Google. You take any company, the business is same. Instead of using your servers, start using my servers, pay the rent. Whatever the usage you are done, then pay it. If you need a high-end configuration, then you can increase the configuration within minutes. If you don't want that configuration within minutes, you can decrease. So this all you can do it, right? So this all, these are the different tools and products we have. So that you can go for using. This is how it will work. Yeah.
I have a question. Can I ask?
Yep. Please.
So this you're saying there are many multiple clouds for Oracle Cloud Suite. Is there any chances like some customer are on Google Cloud, some customer are on Azure Cloud or AWS Cloud, or is it like the Oracle offers only one recommended cloud, there its own Oracle Cloud?
It's like depends. We call it as a multi-cloud also. Nowadays, this concept came into the picture, multi-cloud. Multi-cloud
Mhm.
means, let's say your client having this client, let's say Reliance Trends, they are already using AWS from 2010, for example. Last 15 years, they are using AWS. Okay. Now they feel that some of the tools are excellent in Oracle Cloud. At the same time, they have a lot of applications which are running in the AWS last 15 years. So they don't want to leave AWS. At the same time, they don't want to lose this Oracle tools also. They want to use both. That flexibility, what we call it as a multi-cloud. That's what we call it as a multi-cloud. So client will have the flexibility for usage, both Oracle Cloud as well as AWS Cloud. Some of the tools will be in AWS, some of the tools will be in Oracle. So they can start working with that and the data integration. But definitely they have to go with the data in case. Definitely clients, if they are using multiple applications, multiple servers, integration is very critical. That's why Oracle says that integration tools you can use and you can easily migrate the data. That's what.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah.
I have one question.
Yes.
Like, what is the main difference between Oracle EBS and Oracle Fusion?
We are
Like,
going to discuss actually next level.
okay.
Yes. Okay. Bye.
Hello.
Yes, please.
Yeah, I have one question. So, as you mentioned that these are the tools, provided by the Oracle. So, these are on the service based, or like, I mean, these are something which the organization needs to avail the service for such, like integration and analytics.
Yes, we have both options. What Oracle is telling, if they want to use service point of view, they can use. If they want to build some products and sell it to their customers, yes, they can do. If they want to do some extensions, development, yes, they can do. Both subscription based is there as well as the platform based also is there. All options will be there for the client.
Okay, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. Fine, guess. Okay. So why the clients will use the tools? What is the purpose? Whenever they want to develop some applications, or if they want to develop some products, or if they want to do some customizations, they use the tools. At the same time, products are nothing but already developed by Oracle. Oracle has developed already these products. Okay. So clients will start using the product. Now we are going to talk about what is these three are ERPs, ERP products. Now we'll discuss what is ERP, what is the ERP history, and who are the competitors. Now we are discussing something called ERP. What is meant by ERP? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise is nothing but a client, companies. Here, ICSA is an enterprise. Narayana Educational Institutions is one of the enterprise. Mallareddy University is one of the enterprise. Xerox Company is one of the enterprise. Nokia is one of the enterprise. iPhone is one of the enterprise. Mahindra Company is automobile enterprise. Tata is Reliance. Like this, these all are enterprises. When the enterprises are doing the business, to maintain their business day-to-day transactions, they use the softwares. That's what we call it as ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning. So resources are nothing but employees, customers, suppliers, banks. This all comes as a resource. This all resources they wanted to use in a proper plan. For that, we need a software. That's what we call it as a ERP software. What are the different ERPs are available in the market? SAP is there. Oracle EBS ERP was there. PeopleSoft was there. Siebel was there. Siebel was there. And then JD Edwards was there. And then Salesforce there. Workday there. Oracle Fusion. Microsoft Dynamics. These are top ERPs which are available in the market right now. If any client says that I want to maintain my accounts information, I want to maintain my accounting information, I would like to maintain my supply chain management data. Accounts are nothing but a finance, right? My finance data, supply chain means procurement, sales, and other. I would like to maintain my HR data, nothing but human capital management. Let's say I have 10,000 employees. I want to maintain my all employees' data. 10,000 employees, their salaries, their leaves, their timesheets, their benefits, their compensation, their security, and their appraisal process. This all I want to maintain. Definitely, I need HR, right? And then I have some lakhs of customers. I want to maintain the relationship with the customers. Okay, this is all. This when you want to maintain all this, definitely you need a ERP software because ERP software covers all these domains: finance domain, supply chain management domain, HR domain, CRM domain. All this it will maintain. All this it will be maintained here. Okay. So whenever we say ERP software, we will find definitely all this. If any software says that you can manage your accounts data, your supply data, your HR data, your CRM data, then we can say that software is a ERP software. If somebody says that my software is maintain only finance, for example, Tally is there. If somebody says that Tally is ERP, I don't agree because Tally is one of the good product to maintain only accounts. I can't maintain my inventory in depth. I can't maintain my HR payroll in depth. I can't maintain my customer relation in depth. It's not possible. All these options. So finance is number one. Okay. That's for small clients. It's okay. I can easily manage if I have one branch or two branches. But I have a business in multiple countries, multiple branches, multiple companies. I have sister concern. I have integration with other companies. It's very difficult, right? But these ERPs will support small scale industries, mid-size companies, as well as large scale industries also. Your client may be in one country or multiple countries, the softwares will support. SAP introduced in 1994. SAP introduced in 1994. Oracle 1996. PeopleSoft almost that time only. But PeopleSoft, JD Edwards, and Siebel, all these three companies are merged with Oracle. No more PeopleSoft now. No more JD Edwards now. No more, Siebel. All these three companies are merged with Oracle. Oracle company acquired all these three companies in 2006. In 2006, they have acquired all these three companies. Okay. So now no more PeopleSoft. But there might be some clients across the world who are already using these softwares. It's the Oracle responsibility provide the support. If somebody says that I'm working in PeopleSoft now or in Siebel or JD Edwards, so okay. So these all are old clients. Old clients might be there. Definitely Oracle company should give the support for them because there will be agreements, right? 10 years, 15 years agreement or lifelong agreement, whatever. So definitely companies should support them. It's mandatory. Okay. So now SAP and Oracle EBS, we call it as e-business suite or Oracle applications. Both are competitors since 1996. 30 years. Last 30 years, these two ERPs are the leading. Still it is there, SAP and EBS. Okay. So then 2012 onwards, we got a Salesforce. In 2013, we got Workday. And 2015, we got Oracle Fusion. 2011, we got Dynamics. Dynamics is okay, but not that much competitor. We can say that Microsoft Dynamics is not that much ERP competitor. And Salesforce is okay, but Salesforce is good in CRM, and Workday is good in HR, HCM, but not in all the areas. In all the areas is SAP and finally Oracle Fusion. We can say that SAP and Oracle Fusion. So you may think that Oracle had their own ERP since 1996, and they also acquired three ERP software companies in 2006. So in 2006, how many ERPs they got total? Four ERPs. Last 20 years, almost 19-20 years, they got four ERP softwares in hand. When a company is having four products in ERP products in their hand, then why they developed this new ERP, Oracle Fusion applications? Why they developed this new ERP software again? Because they have their own ERP software, right? And also acquired three ERP software companies, almost four products they have in the market. Again, why they developed new software right from the scratch? What is the reason behind this in 2015, in 10 years back is Oracle says that this is the next generation ERP software. You cannot find the features which are there in Fusion in any of this ERP product. Any of the ERP. Of course, Salesforce, Workday, Dynamics, we cannot compare. These three are already merged with Oracle. Okay. So the only competitor is SAP. Finally, SAP is the competitor for Oracle Fusion. Okay. So what Oracle says that Oracle Fusion is one of the best ERP, cloud-based ERP software, which is available in the market. So these four ERPs are not cloud-based. As we discussed last 10 years, every client is trying to ask or trying to migrate their products into the cloud. So if you try to sell your product to the customer, then customer will ask you, is your product is cloud-based or not? If it is cloud-based, I am interested, otherwise not interested. Obviously, it is very common nowadays. It's very difficult to maintain this much of data with multiple devices with analytics. Without analyzing your business, it's very difficult nowadays. Okay. Small companies are okay. What I'm talking about, more than 100 crores turnover business is there. definitely you need a cloud ERP softwares where you can easily manage all your data without having any issues. That's what the clients has identified, and they started moving to the cloud environment. So Oracle Fusion is the latest ERP software developed by Oracle, which is compatible for cloud. Oracle had 4 ERP products in their hand, but none of these 4 are compatible with the cloud. So this is the only is compatible. So even Oracle is telling to these customers, you can migrate from this on-premises servers to cloud, Oracle Fusion Cloud. But of course, client will take some time, definitely. It's not that much easy, okay, because again, investments, migrations, and it's a long process. So some clients started moving. I think only 5% people has moved. Next 20 years, whoever customers are there in Oracle EBS since 1996, means last 30 years, I think more than 70,000 customers are there across the world. Out of 70,000, hardly 5,000 or 10,000 customers moved into the cloud. Still, 70 to 80% of customers is supposed to move to the cloud. This will be the process next 10, 20 years. Okay. So if somebody says that, somebody used to ask us, like if I enter into Oracle Fusion right now, will the technology will help for my career or not? Yes, this is the right time to enter into the Oracle Cloud Fusion, because this is starting point for Oracle Fusion. Last 3-4 years, it's got very good feedback from the customers. You can search in Google, which is I'm not going to tell. Even Oracle is, you can go to website, Oracle website, and see, and even search in Google also. You will get very good reviews from the customers. Okay. So that's about the different types of ERPs and who are the competitors, the difference between SAP and Oracle Fusion and all. Salesforce and Workday we cannot compare with Fusion because nowhere. Salesforce is #1 in CRM. Workday is #1 in HR. But Oracle Fusion #1 in finance, supply, HR, CRM, PPM, ORC, lot of other domains, government sectors, everywhere they have the options. Yeah, that's about the ERP and different companies. Is clear, everybody?
Yes, one question I have.
Yeah.
So, like there are many other ERP also, like Info or Zoho. I don't know where do they stand. Second thing is like HCM. So for HCM itself, multiple ERP. One is Oracle HCM, one is SAP HCM or
Yes.
SAP SuccessFactors,
Yeah.
Workday. So, like when I see the market, like everywhere there are some customers, but which one, like from the HCM perspective, which one is the top?
So
Is it
top is
Workday or Oracle? Good.
the top application is always, see, depends on the high priority point of view. We can say that it's an options here, right? So some clients will be compatible for, the options for the Workday. Some clients will be compatible for, this cloud. But I can say
Mhm.
Oracle Fusion point of view, it's in vast. If we talk about artificial intelligence, if we talk about the blockchain technology point of view, everything is available. But I don't see in Salesforce or Workday. They also started
Mhm.
recently, but Oracle has got very good. See, end of the day, again, depends on the application suitable, depends on this options like what you call pricing point of view. Everything will be matter,
Mhm.
right? That's
Yeah, yeah, that's correct.
so at this
Okay.
point of time, the major difference, see, I'll talk about the major. See, Salesforce is nothing but a #1 in CRM, no doubt about it. SAP or Oracle, nobody can compete with Salesforce CRM, no doubt. When we talk about Workday, only HCM, only HR. That also nowadays Oracle Fusion is going to overcome Workday. Okay, it's going to overcome Workday nowadays. Yeah. And finance, Oracle is #1. Oracle is #1 in finance, of course, supply chain and HCM in all this point of view, we can see that. And SAP is okay, fine, somewhere around supply chain and manufacturing they got put. So Oracle Fusion is a vast product. When we talk about latest cloud ERPs, SAP also doesn't have those many options. The major disadvantage for SAP. So the only one ERP which we can compare is SAP with Oracle Fusion. The major disadvantage with the SAP is, I'll tell you a simple example. Let's say ICICI client is there. They are banking services. They have their own applications. They are using some accounting application and they are using some reporting applications and they have some backup application. They have some database applications. Now this client ICICI is telling, I'm interested to move into the cloud. Okay. I'm interested to move into the cloud, but I want to use my applications through your servers. I will shut down my server completely, but I will move the servers into your cloud. SAP says no. No, SAP says only you can find my software is a cloud. If you say I will move applications from my server to this, no, I'm not in the cloud business. SAP is not a cloud-based company. SAP is a cloud ERP company. It is a cloud ERP. They have developed one ERP software which is cloud based. Okay, if I want to use SAP ERP, no problem. I can connect to SAP servers and I can start using. But my problem is I have my own server. There are some applications which are running in my server. My work opinion is right now, I want to shut down my server. I don't want to use both. I want to shut down my server. I will move all my applications into your servers. And I'll also start using your applications. SAP says, no, I'm not doing that business, boss. My business is only providing my ERP software as a cloud. Okay. But Oracle says, no problem. I have the data centers across the world. My business is that only. You move all your applications to my application. You move all your applications to my servers. Move all applications to my servers. And you also start using my applications, Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP. If you want to use, if you can use. If you say, no, I'm not interested in your tools and products, just I'll move my softwares. I will use only your servers and I'll pay the amount. No problem. You do that one only. Just you are using my servers, you pay the amount for that. So I think now everybody is clear the difference between SAP and Oracle. So Oracle is a cloud company. They are providing servers on rental basis to the customers. Customers can move their all applications to the Oracle servers and also they can start using the softwares which are there in the Oracle cloud. But SAP is not like that. Salesforce also is not like that. Workday also is not like that. So Salesforce says that for this, no, I can't do it. Workday says no, only my software is cloud. If you say that you will bring your applications to my servers, no, I'm not doing that business. Don't have data centers. Only I'm using my ERP in the cloud. You can use it, no problem. So that's where the difference comes into the picture. It's clear, everybody, why the Oracle Cloud is the best option nowadays for the client.
Yes.
Yes.
I have a question.
Yeah, please go ahead.
So it's like you said, Oracle Fusion. For anyone who want to be a HR department, work in a HR, and who was switching their career to HR, is this the best option to choose this course or a Oracle HCM that he can build his career?
Definitely. See, nowadays, all the top companies and customers, almost top gates, people are telling that artificial intelligence is coming into the market and you have to change your working style. That's what people are telling, right? So, for example, I am working in HR department as a recruiter.
Okay.
Earlier, what happened? I used to get the profiles
Okay.
from the candidates. Then I used to go through manually one by one, and I used to identify their education qualification, then go for screening, and then I used to communicate. But now AI will do that screening and it will show you the list. Finally, you take a decision.
Okay.
Finally, as a recruiter, you have to take a decision. But using this AI and using this application is nowadays mandatory for small clients also. Earlier, whatever the process I just explained, it was using by the big clients last 10 years also.
Okay.
But nowadays, cloud concept has came. As I said, even you have 5 crores turnover business per year, still you can use Oracle ERP. Still you can use Oracle ERP. It means going forward, next 5-6 years, almost everybody will start using the cloud-based ERPs. The reason why people won't come to Oracle or Microsoft or Google because of the cost, right? Small companies cannot bear the cost, license cost, right?
Yeah.
So nowadays, because of this cloud, what happened? Number of licenses are very less cost. Earlier, if it was $100, now it will be $10 only. Going forward, it will be more or less also. So in India itself, you might have seen like Act Fiber. So most of the people they use Oracle Fusion. They use Oracle Fusion, and then Lenscott.
Yeah,
Everywhere they started using Oracle Fusion. Then CultFit, right? CultFit has got around 600 branches in India.
Yeah.
In every branch, they have around 30 members, I think 30 or 15 members, employees.
Yeah. Yeah.
So it comes around 9,000, 8,000, around 9,000 employees are there. To maintain their data, they started using HCM, Oracle HCM. So can we expect the small clients will use this, right? So the people started using the ERP applications. In this ERP applications, a lot of features are there where the AI will be showing that information. But finally, the recruiter has to take a decision. See, even if artificial intelligence is there, that will just bring the data, best data, and show it to you in front of you. Then you will start working on that.
So my question, I understand it is a great, but if someone is not experienced in HR, but he want to switch his career to HR, is this
no
the
problem.
best?
No problem.
Even though having 9 years experience in catalog and CRM.
No issue. No issue. Because we used to train the freshers. We used to train the freshers who are from the campus, who has passed out in 2024 and 25. We trained them, we placed them. But of course, package might be less, 2.5 lakhs or 3 lakhs. That's only the package for the fresher.
So starting, if I do this course, if I go with 9 years experience, starting package will be like 3 lakhs, 2.5 lakhs.
No, you are in 9 years, you have already experience, right? We have to apply with experience.
Okay, so what will be like the candidate?
It will be like we are putting 4 years experience. It's like 4 years means it is 15 lakhs minimum package in HCM.
Okay.
Minimum 15 to 20. That's the range. Yeah.
Thanks for the information. I wanted this one. Yeah.
I'll be explaining more detailed about job opportunities in the next demo session. Because we have 3 detailed demo sessions, right?
Okay.
So last demo, I will explain complete job market. If freshers wants to get a job in Oracle Fusion, how they have to prepare. If non-IT person wants to get a job in HCM, how they have to prepare. If somebody says that I'm already working in IT, but I'm getting less package, I want the best package, then how they have to prepare. This all I'll be explaining in the 3rd demo.
Yeah, sure.
So that's the reason, guys. Now Oracle Fusion is the #1 ERP, and obviously the competitor is SAP. But where the SAP backslash is this SAP or Salesforce Workday is, this is the example what I can say. This is obviously everybody can understand, and everybody can say that it is yes acceptable. Okay. So we discussed what is Fusion applications. It is one of the ERP product. When I say ERP product, definitely there will be a Fusion Finance.
Hello?
There will be a HCM, Fusion HCM. There will be a Fusion Supply Chain Management. There will be a Fusion CRM. There will be a Fusion PPM. There will be a Fusion ORC. There will be a Fusion Public Sector. Right. This all we will find in Fusion applications. We call it as all these are Fusion applications product. We call it as a Fusion Finance. We call it as a Fusion HCM, Fusion Supply, all are products. ERP product means obviously all this we will find, all these domains we will find. Some clients will use only finance. Some clients will use only HCM. For example, CultFit is there. CultFit is one of the fitness centers. They have around 8,000 plus employees. their job, their usage is only 8,000 employees. They want to maintain their employees' information, day-to-day leaves, and also their payroll, their salary calculations, distributions, payslip, everything. That's all. They don't want to use finance. They have separate tools for the finance and all. Only HCM they have started using. Like that, definitely the clients will choose which one. Somebody says that I want entire all the products. So they'll start using this all the products. So yes, someone was asking. Yeah, please. I thought if I was in flow, that's why I was not responding. Can you please ask the question?
Hello. Actually, even I have a similar question.
Yeah.
Actually, I have done MCOM. Is it fine for me to switch to HCM?
It's okay, no problem.
But I have a experience as a support in SCM in Capgemini.
No
So
problem.
for me, which one will be good? Like HCM will be good or SCM will be good?
Human capital management will be good because a lot of opportunities are
But
there.
salary, what about the package? You said, right, as a fresher, if I'll join, this package will be less.
Or no, it is you are not a fresher, right? Fresher means who has passed out in 2024, 2025.
No, I have passed out in 2020. I have done MCOM and have
Yes.
experience in Capgemini around 3.10 months. I have
So you are
experience.
experienced consultant. 3 years, 10 months you are experienced. So
Yeah.
definitely we have to go with the 3 years, 10 months experience. It will be starting point 14 lakhs minimum you will get.
How much? Sorry.
14 lakhs.
Okay,
14
so
LPA.
like HCM is fine, right, for me?
Yes, yes. You
Thank you
can
so much.
listen all the 3 demos. End of the 3rd demo, you can discuss. Yeah, more we will discuss about the job opportunities, how we have to apply.
I'm planning to enroll tomorrow.
No, not enrollment. No, we don't go for enrollment. You can listen 3 demos, please. Thank you. Yeah.
One more question I have. So, like the remote, do we have remote options here also? Like HCM or like we have to go to.
Maximum hybrid and remote only.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this training is specifically focusing only the functional side or technical side as well?
We are going to discuss now.
Okay.
Yeah. So when guys, now this is about the ERP software. So some clients will go for HCM, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud means we will find different modules. Okay, global HR, payroll, absence management, talent management, ORC, Oracle Recruitment Cloud, OTL, Oracle Time and Labor, compensation, and benefits. These are the 8 modules. Total HCM, Human Capital Management. 8 modules we have. Okay. So generally, people will learn the 4 modules. 3 modules or 4 modules maximum. Global HR, payroll, absence, and talent. This is what the syllabus we are providing since 10 years, last 10 years, from 2015. We are starting from 2015 with 37,000 plus subscribers exclusively for Oracle Fusion Cloud. Okay, you can cross check our history in the YouTube itself. You will come to know when we started working. Okay, that's what our quality of the training here it is. Okay, yeah. So
Hi.
let me complete this. After that, we can discuss because I'm missing flow because of interference. Yeah. So here, these 4 modules are the basic modules. People used to learn these 4 modules and then they start applying for the jobs. That's what actually our training. But what happened nowadays? People are asking wars. People are asking time and labor sometimes. Sometimes they are asking compensation. Sometimes they are asking benefits. But at a time, learning 8 modules is very difficult, not possible at a time. Then what is the solution? Is we are going to give this training 4 modules. ORC, we will give Udemy course free of cost. OTL will give free Udemy course. Compensation Udemy course we are going to give free of cost. Benefits we are going to give free Udemy cost. All FAQs for all the modules we will find Udemy course. When I say all the modules, this 4 modules: global HR, payroll, options, and 4 modules. Okay. So total, how many Udemy courses? Udemy is one of the online platform where my courses will be there. Directly you can start learning. Okay. So generally outside people, they have to pay 2,500 for every course. For every course, they have to pay 2,500. Okay. And for FAQs, all the 4 modules, they have to pay 2,500 course. So what will be the total cost you are going to save by joining into this batch? 12,500. The course says you are going to get it free of cost. 12,500. Okay. So global HR, payroll, options, and talent management. That is a fixed syllabus which we are doing last 10 years. Now also we are doing it. This is sufficient actually. Actually, this is sufficient. For example, you learned this course and you prepared a resume, you are applying for a job and you got a job also, or maybe in the interviews. Do you have any idea about ORC? That's what question they'll ask. Then you don't have the option, right? So that's why what we are doing. So we are giving this course free of cost. There you will find the videos. Around every module you will find 5 to 6 hours. Okay. So that you can go for learn and go for getting the job. That's how we are going to run. It means entire Oracle Fusion HCM suite. We are giving the training to everybody. Okay. So you search in Google or YouTube or anywhere, no institution is providing this type of facility. Everybody will give the training. I don't want to blame others, but this is what actually service what we are going to give from the last batch. Already we did last batch, morning and evening batch. We didn't. We have provided this service. This is going to be third batch with all these modules. Okay. So they are not giving these options. This option they are not going to provide. Okay. So they give the training general common this. So the benefit with RTL is this. That's what I can say regarding the syllabus point of view. Okay. So we will have mainly 2 jobs. One is functional consultant. Another one is technical consultant. 2 jobs we will find. This course is purely functional consultant. 100% functional consultant course. No coding, and you don't need any prerequisites. I said we placed freshers, still we have a requirement for 4 members freshers. I asked everybody in my previous batches, whatever I have given the teaching, around 45 to 50 hours. Means 2 months, right? 2 months means 45 to 50 hours. Maybe 2 months means maximum 1 week will be extended. Okay. So this 45 hours, if you are perfect, then we are ready to give 100% job. Many people used to ask every time, sir, you will tell that 100% placement. How it is possible? Can you do it? I am sure it's on record. I'll upload this video in YouTube. When you pay the fees to RTL Technologies, you keep the fees with you. I'm telling you, I'm going to give the training 4 modules, right? It will be around 45 to 50 hours. Whatever the training I have given, you be perfect theoretically and practically. I don't want even single setup also extra. If this 50 hours training, whatever I'm going to give, if you are perfect, it is my responsibility to show you the job. But you should be perfect theoretically and practically. When I say theoretically, you are supposed to explain the answer in English. How to explain the answer in English also I given this course. 4 modules, right? For every module I given. For every module, around 50 to 60 questions are there. That also I have recorded. Everything I have recorded, I have given in the Udemy. Outside people, they have to buy 4 modules, 4 FAQ courses by paying 2,500. But RTL students, as they are already enrolled for this, then they are going to get benefit. So as we are going to charge the fees 20K. So out of that, you got free of cost 12,500. Outside people, they have to pay this amount. Okay. So this 45 to 50 hours, whatever the training I'm giving these 4 modules, you should be perfect theoretically and practically. I don't want a single line extra. I don't want single setup extra. Because when you go for interview, they'll ask you this only. They won't ask you more than this. Okay. Every module, I'll give you the assignment. That assignments also you will see here only. In FAQs and all, you will see that assignments. Okay. So this is purely 100% functional course. And we are going to have 30% of technical we'll be discussing. If you are perfect functionally, this you can add 30%. Just 30% is for knowing purpose, because see, you apply for a job saying that I'm working as functional consultant last 4 years in the project. Then they'll ask you, do you know how to develop a report? No, report development is a technical consultant responsibility, right? How can you ask? They may ask, right? So in the interviewer, they'll ask you, you are in the industry last 4 years. At least you should have idea, right? At least you should have some idea how to develop the report, because you are a part of the project. You are part of team, functional, and you will be interacting with the technical team. Definitely, you should know some basic idea about technical, right? That's why we are going to learn this 30% of technical. Otherwise, not required. Otherwise, not required. That's what I can say. That a course. This course is purely functional. It doesn't require any coding. It doesn't require any prerequisition. Freshers also, they got learned and they got placed. They got placed. Yeah. Yeah. And now a lot of requirements also coming. Is clear everybody about this? Any doubts here, please?
Yeah.
Much good.
One
One
more.
thing, like for the technical thing, like you are saying 30%, what specific topic you will be covering? I
I
know
will be
basic report.
covering all the 5 topics, like BI reports, then OTBI analysis, and then HDL, then HCM extracts, then personalizations. Each topic I'll develop one component. Process, how to do that. Yeah.
For the practice purpose, like, are you going to provide credentials for those?
Yes. 8 months. 8 months we are going to provide the server access.
So
You are
what
going
about
to,
the Udemy course
that is
timeline?
lifelong. That is lifelong.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm actually working with an organization. Like I'm moving to a different organization, but I'm working with this on ORC module actually. I'm not confident on ORC. Like I'm in global HR, like I have not worked on. Otherwise, earlier I was working with the Oracle Talio,
Got it.
which is kind of legacy to ORC. So I have not worked on a full end-to-end implementation
Now
project.
this is going to be a
So
perfect solution for you. Yes, this is perfect
I'm
solution,
hoping
because
so.
these 4 modules I'm going to make you perfect in the next 2 months. Okay.
Mhm,
And then
mhm,
after that, you can start updating yourself here, other
mhm.
modules. Yeah.
I'm looking for specific areas like fast formulas. Yeah, this will be a helpful
Fast
thing for me.
formulas comes under technical, and fast
Okay.
formulas completely technical, and that I will be posting in Udemy most probably in the next month, June, that people has to enroll by paying the amount separate.
Usually, handling fast formulas will be a functional consultant responsibility or a technical.
Some basic level we can do, but if it is
Yeah.
complex, complex,
I'm just
definitely
looking for
we
some
technical.
basic understanding of function.
That we will be discussing. Payroll, how
Oh,
to write one fast formula, options, how to write one fast formula. That's
mhm,
fine.
mhm. Okay. I hope
And
we'll
for
be having a FAQ session at the end of this call.
Oh, sorry.
I hope we'll be having a FAQ session at the end of this call.
End of the third demo, we will be having them.
Okay.
Now call is almost ended, right? 1 hour.
Yeah.
Yeah, please go ahead, Siddharth.
Yeah, so sir, actually wanted to check that for OTL, the session would be the recorded or the live sessions?
OTL is not going to be live session. ORC, OTL compensation benefits is already recorded and it's going to be available in the Udemy course. Once you enroll for this batch, then this all you are going to get free of cost.
Okay, and that would be for the as per the implementer perspective, right?
Yes, yes, definitely,
Okay.
definitely.
Perfect, perfect.
You can see that I have almost 30,000 students in Udemy, and you can search with RTL Chandra, then you can find.
Yes, yes.
Hello, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
Yeah, sir. The thing is actually maybe the my doubt will be out of topic because it's regarding the financials. Like I want to relate some the thing is actually my friend has given me assignment about the financials like creating a supplier and like creating requisition and creating a
That is for supply chain management.
yeah. The thing is actually what happened is um like I am practicing it like I have
I'm
struck
sorry,
near
this is I'm not the right
yeah
person.
I know
You
that
talk with
but
admin. You talk with
yeah only
admin,
2 minutes,
please.
sir.
Tell me.
Yeah, the thing is actually I struck near master organization and the child organization. So
No,
my
sorry.
brother has
It,
told
it will
me,
confuse others. Please,
yeah,
please
yeah.
mute it.
The thing, my brother has told me to go with the HCM.
Yeah, fine, guys. Any other doubts?
Sir, hi sir. I have a small doubt like in Udemy, can I see this OTL and
You please
compensation?
communicate with admin. They will guide you.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what about SCM and finance courses, sir?
You please communicate with admin. Regarding the HCM and regarding today demo, I can clarify now. Anything finance or supply, please communicate with admin.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
So regarding the HCM models,
Sorry?
so are we going to learn end-to-end implementations?
Complete. Every module is end-to-end implementation. This 4 modules live, end-to-end implementation, complete setups, configuration, testing, documentation. And this 4 modules also, whatever you are going to get in Udemy, don't think that that might be a basics. It will be completely in-depth. I'm putting one course in Udemy means definitely I know that across the world, people who are working in HCM will be enrolling. Definitely, I have to satisfy them. Otherwise, they'll write a comment and they'll give you a rating for me across the world, right? Definitely, all this will be a best implementation, no doubt about it. Because Udemy is one of Udemy is one of the best platform for online trainings across the world, especially for the professionals who are already working in industry.
That's great
So
actually.
based on that, only I will be posting. So definitely it will be end-to-end in implementation.
Sir, one more doubt, sir.
I
Like,
think
you are
9:30
telling like,
for you, right? For lunch break, I think so. So at what time manager is available?
Srikanth, keep it on mute. Srikanth Murray, I think someone. Yeah, please, guys. Because this disturbance will make. Yeah, go ahead.
yeah, sir, this is Hari Prashant here. One more doubt. Like, previously you were telling like, with 3-4 years of experience in different domain also, we can try it as experienced candidate. So we
Yes.
can expect salary of about 14 to 15 LPA.
Yes.
Like, I mean, I think like the salary will be based on our current CTC only, right? Like, how sure
I
we
will
can?
answer it on third demo.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah. Regarding job, regarding package, regarding that placement.
Yeah,
Okay.
okay. Yeah.
Hi, sir.
I have a doubt over here. So you will be the coach for us, right?
Yes, yes.
Okay, thanks.
Sir, one doubt from my side that if I have already done like I went through Oracle learning course on Oracle learning platform, but I could not understand few like rationals. I mean, will this course be mostly navigational where you will guide us?
Complete. The complete. It will be an implementation. You might have gone through MyLearn, right?
Yeah, that is
Yeah,
right. But I
that's
was
not.
struggling. I was struggling on For example, why some options they were selecting
Yeah,
which
got
they
it.
did not.
That will be a corporate training, right? So that
Oh,
they will go very high level.
So
so that will
you
be
said
taken
that
care of.
you'll be providing 8 months server access. So like will it be refreshed on daily basis or
Yes,
like
yes,
will it
every week it will be refreshed.
okay.
There is an advantage for the refreshable. We have non-refreshment server also. We are ready to give that also. But if somebody has done something wrong in the non-refreshment server, definitely it affects to everybody and we can't do the practice. If it is refreshment server, if somebody has done something wrong, end of the week it will be refreshed. Again, the instance will be fresh. So we can start working. If we wanted to see all the features practically, then refreshable server is the best. Many people in the WhatsApp groups and professional also in LinkedIn, I used to tell the same thing. They used to ask me, we are looking for only non-refreshable. Yes, we do provide non-refresh. But what happened? If somebody has done something problem with the ledger, somebody has done some LDC issues, somebody has changed something wrong. So it's very difficult because it affects to our setups also, and it will not be refreshed. So we can't do the practice. So if it is refreshable, end of the week, definitely it will be refreshed. For example, I'm hiring employee. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, I've done excellent. Thursday, someone has done some setup. It is spoiling my employee hiring. So I can't hire employee. So who has to resolve that issue? Either Oracle or someone else. Okay. So now Oracle will do end of the week refreshment. Definitely next week I can start working. So refreshable instance is always better. The only disadvantage is it will kill your 1 hour time whenever it get refreshed. That's all. Not more than that. It's as simple as.
Sir, like if we enrolling all these modules via Udemy, even still be able to get the instance for practice from you, or else we have to
No,
buy
no,
it from
no,
the
no.
outside.
Udemy people also has to pay 1,000 per month and they have to get access.
Okay. Will that include any documentation like the documents we will be preparing for this module?
Documentation we will be giving you some
Even
of
though
the
if we study it in Udemy or in the live batch.
documentation actually in the Udemy or anywhere, Oracle documents only, it is good.
Okay.
Yeah, cloud. Yeah. Fine, guys, that is our first demo. I hope you understood. And let's meet you tomorrow, same time, same meeting ID. If you have any questions, if somebody didn't get, you can communicate with our admin. Or tomorrow when the session starts, note down the questions, we'll discuss. I'm running out the time. Actually, it was scheduled for 7 to 8 and almost now 8:20. So we'll connect tomorrow. And we have one more also. Tomorrow, maximum it will be practical. Maximum it will be practical. Beginning of the session, again, I will explain the difference between other institutions and what we are doing. It is like comparison, because obviously when I'm giving the best, I'm supposed to give, explain what I am giving and how I am going to give. Definitely, it is very good discussion. We'll do it tomorrow, and then we will go ahead with the process. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, everyone. This particular demo will be posted in RTL tomorrow, and you can now in another 1 or 2 hours you can access this video from the RTL. Of course, every class will be recorded and shared through Google Drive. You can download, but demo sessions will post it in directly in RTL. If somebody has not subscribed, please subscribe for our RTL and go through the demos. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.